Speaking during the signing ceremony, Mr. Holemba elaborated on why the department chose this partnership. He says through this Memorandum of Understanding, the department will bring support to build road establishment within the Duran Farm estate.
With the department, we are also focusing on empowering our staff. We are building our reform agendas and looking at strengthening our welfare of our staff. One of those things that we always embark on is that if you can feed and look after the staff, they can do more and they can produce more for the country and serve the people better. So that is the whole understanding why we are reaching out to this agreement, so that with the housing scheme that NHC is providing through a public service housing scheme, we've trialed several other housing schemes before. We've been involved with those that National Planning and DPM and others have reached out to us. We assisted them, and unfortunately some of the responses are not that favorable. Some of our staff are still waiting. Some have retired. They're no longer in service, and they're yet to be allocated an allotment. So we hope that this one won't be that same. We are willing to going into this MOU for these first 50 allotments in the event that there's interest within the department for our staff to look at, securing some home ownership through the process. We will basically write to you.
Meanwhile, Housing Minister described the arrangement as a government-to-government approach, noting that with Duran Farm being there for some time, it is important to include the government and other agencies for Papua New Guineans to have quality homes.
Many a time we live ourselves in isolation, and from the department I work with something like that, go Bamla Namel, come back. So we are pleased to be here, knowing the fact that Duran Farm estate has been there for quite a while, and we are slowly with whatever the money that we got, ECC the building one time, all investors. But basically we have to include the government entities of department in. Now we come on road. At the moment we are using the gravel, but we want something better for our tenants who will be there.
The minister concluded that the approach was to reduce the prices of houses, where this Memorandum of Understanding will help in a bigger way. Jacinta Dr. National MTV News.